the other way. It's like, I don't think so, babe.
Yeah, this is it. Eureka Road.
Eureka.
Okay. Let's air down and disconnect.
I hate this part of off-roading.
It's just bothersome.
It's just, yeah. I just wish it was like built in. Like we just had a button that did all of it.
They do.
Ugh.
Well, not the airing down part.
Oh.
Our manual sway bar disconnects. Alright, let's do this.
Me.
Whoa. Hello. Okay, so we're at Eureka. We're going to Eureka Fire Lookout. You know where we're going, babe?
Eureka Fire Lookout. Eureka Lake Fire Lookout.
So we're just going to air down. We have our Morphlate system.
It's cold up here.
It is very cold.
-3.
Yeah, and we got snow.
We got a dog.
And we got a puppers. We brought the puppers along.
We brought the old lady dog.
The old lady. She'll have some fun.
We hope. She could be grumpy the whole time.
Oh. Yeah, Morphlate connection. And
Hoses.
hoses.
I'm really cold. I want to get this over with.
And we're going to disconnect our sway bars. Get on there. There we go. Is it on?
I can't. My fingers are too cold. I
It's
can't.
on?
No, it's not.
There it is. Okay. It is on. Release the valve. And
What are we going to?
we're gonna do like 19.
19.
Yeah. There's one. Ah.
Like 1.9?
Like 19.
This says 3.4.
That's the pressure of air coming out. So close the valve. Now we're at
Oh.
27.6.
Okay. I was like, what are you talking about?
It's how much air is like pressure's coming out. Oh, damn, it's cold. So we're gonna go up to the Eureka Fire Lookout. It's apparently a smaller trek up than the other ones we've done,
Fingers crossed. It's not like the other ones we've done.
but it should be a lot better. Meat stick?
Mhm.
Okay, guys, if you haven't know what we're talking about, it's these bison game meat sticks. It's like a tradition now that we get them before we go up. We got the puppers. The old lady enjoying some cold and sun. So you can see it is a smaller route than the other one we did. Where's that one? This guy. This was the Sugar Mountain one. So there's a smaller route up. So hopefully it's not as crazy as Sugar Mountain. So guys, if you don't know where this place is, Eureka Fire Lookout, if you go on, what is it, Backroad Maps book, you can just search it up and it'll show you exactly where it is.
It's off Highway 6, isn't it?
Highway 6, yeah, just past Cherryville, just before the Needles Ferry. So guys, a good chunk of the reason why we show a lot of the road is just to let everyone know who's watching what the conditions are, right?
Yeah.
So if you can actually make it up here, whether you're soft roading, hard roading, I don't know. So far the fire lookouts we've been to, any 4x4 can get to them. You just have to take your time. If we can get some like RAV4s out and show them that they can get up here and enjoy the same scenery that we do, then that's kind of the point.
Yeah.
Gross. Is that gross?
No, that was way too cool. It's like a fucking budgie.
That angle though.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so this is the part where I think you need 4x4.
Yeah, I wouldn't take my CRV up here.
So far this is so much better than the other ones.
Yeah.
I think the worst part is just some little divots.
Yeah, we'll have to be careful coming
Oh.
down too. You spoke this wrong!
Come on, legs.
I can't. Quit doing that. It's weird.
Just let me come. Let's go, girl.
Come on. Come on. Come on, we did it once before. Come on.
Come on, legs.
Come on, old lady.
It's too cold out here.
Come on.
Just move out of the way, sweetie.
Are you gonna jump it?
Yeah, she's just unsure.
Good girl.
All right.
It's too bright. It's my eyes.
You made it. Eureka fire lookout.
Take your dog.
Okay. What? It's cool.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, well, it's too hard to keep her on track.
And like, look how narrow this is.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, wood stove. Whoa, it's slippery.
Yeah. Like, and there's firewood. Like, it works.
Bunch of different candy, snacks in case people get lost up here, stuck.
Wow. Mike Agar and Jim Hofer. October 18th, 23. Been coming here since 1980. It's a neat little outfit. Writing it when you went down.
Mm. Yeah, those stairs are treacherous. But look at that view.
Oh, look at those mountains.
I know. Had to put the dog away. She kept climbing up these stairs and getting her legs stuck in them. All right, that was fun. Not much of anything in there.
No.
It's all wood.
Yeah, that's so cool. There's like a workbench and there's plastic for the windows.
Yeah. And then there's this. I think this is a woodshed.
Fire pit out.
Oh yeah, wood.
You should have worn your boots, babe.
Crocs are just as good. In snow. And oh, let's go see the silo. A lot of deer tracks.
I think that's an outhouse.
Definitely an outhouse with a Home Depot bucket.
Yeah, that is an outhouse. Ew, it's got a squishy seat. I don't want to try and open it.
No, it's bolted. That's cool. Are you cold?
I'm really cold.
Cold. Leg is living. An old girl limping though. Getting out of that Jeep. Don't hurt yourself. Ugh. If anyone knows what this is, let me know in the comments. It's really unique.
It's like windows or something on this side.
Yeah.
Is it maybe a water tank?
I don't know. All right. Drone time?
Car time.
Drone time. And car time. Screwed up road. It's always nice to meet new people on trails.
Yeah.
Okay. coffee,
Bathroom.
bathroom. 100%. And we're done. That was actually a cooler fire lookout than all of them.
That one, like the view, I think at Sugar Lake was a bit better.
Yeah.
But that's the coolest building.
Yeah.
For sure.
The Mara, we couldn't even see because of all the fog.
Yeah.
So we can't really put that, but I won't go back up there.
You will?
No.
Oh.
That was too much. So this route, any 4x4 can make it up with ease. Soft rotors, I think there's still quite a few big divots that might scrape the underside and all that stuff. So
Yeah, like I wouldn't take my CRV up this half of it.
no. Yeah. But it'll be a good hike probably.
You're into that.
Whoa. Like these divots here. If you get stuck in this rut, you're...
You hooped.
Slap. Oh! We need higher clearance fenders. And a bigger lift.